Listen, students, look here. This is the map of South America. Sorry, it's the map of South America, and here you can see the basin, Amazon basin. Amazon basin lies in South America. In which continent Amazon basin lies? South America. Now, what's basin? Basin is an area drained by river or its tributaries. In this chapter, you will read about one basin of South America, that is Amazon basin, and other basin of Asia, that is in India, and that is Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Ganga Brahmaputra basin is formed by two rivers, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So Amazon basin is drained by river Amazon. Amazon river is the largest river in the world. वॉल्यूम वाइज इट इज द लार्जेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड तो दैट इज नाइल. नाइल इन अफ्रीका, दैट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, इंडिया की नहीं कर रही. इंडिया की लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर होती तो मैं गंगा बोलती. longest river in the world is Nile, that is in Africa, and here Amazon river drains this basin. This basin is drained by Amazon river, and Amazon river is the largest river of the world. Volume wise, it's the largest river of the world. Now, what's basin? Basin is an area drained by river or its tributaries. ठीक है. वी लिव इन, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि हम किस बेसिन में रहते हैं तो वी लिव इन सतलुज बेसिन. ठीक है, हम सतलुज बेसिन में रहते हैं बिकॉज अवर एरिया, अब जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं, हमारा ये जो जलंधर, लुधियाना, दैट इज ड्रेन्ड बाय सतलुज रिवर. तो वी आर लिविंग इन सतलुज बेसिन. अगर कोई अमृतसर वाले लोगों से पूछे कि आप कहाँ रहते हो तो वो कहेंगे कि वो सतलुज बेसिन में ही है. ठीक है, क्योंकि ब्यास इज द ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ सतलुज. ठीक है, अगर यही कोई उत्तर प्रदेश वालों से पूछे कि आप कहाँ रहते हो तो वो क्या कहेंगे? गंगा बेसिन में. कहाँ रहते हैं? गंगा बेसिन. अगर यही कोई असम वालों से पूछे तो वो कहेंगे ब्रह्मपुत्रा बेसिन. ठीक है, बिकॉज दैट एरिया इज ड्रेन्ड बाय ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर. एंड उत्तर प्रदेश वाला एरिया अगर हम कहें तो दैट इज ड्रेन्ड बाय गंगा रिवर. हमारी ये जो हम रहते हैं, ब्यास इज द ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ सतलुज रिवर. तो हम किस बेसिन में रहते हैं? सतलुज बेसिन. तो इज इट क्लियर? ये अमेज़न बेसिन है. हम इसमें पहले अमेज़न बेसिन के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. तो इट्स द लार्जेस्ट बेसिन इन द वर्ल्ड, ये भी पता ना, है ना. अमेज़न बेसिन इज द लार्जेस्ट बेसिन इन द वर्ल्ड. अब पता होना चाहिए अमेज़न बेसिन लाइज इन साउथ अमेरिका. ठीक है, इट इज द लार्जेस्ट बेसिन ड्रेन्ड बाय रिवर अमेज़न. तो अमेज़न इज द लार्जेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड. वॉल्यूम वाइज ये लार्जेस्ट रिवर है. अब Amazon basin में क्लाइमेट कैसा है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिसन अबाउट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ Amazon basin as it lies in इक्वेटोरियल रीजन. ठीक है, इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में होने के कारण क्लाइमेट इज हॉट एंड वेट. इट हैज हॉट एंड वेट क्लाइमेट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. हॉट एंड वेट क्लाइमेट. डे एंड नाइट्स आर इक्वली हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड. It has hot and wet climate, and here days and nights are equally hot and humid. Here skin जो है ना, that feels sticky. Sweat आता रहता है, feels sticky. And it gets rainfall almost daily. यहाँ पे बहुत बारिश होती है, डेली यहाँ पे रेनफॉल होती है. तो इसलिए इसको रेन फॉरेस्ट भी कहा गया. इस एरिया को, अमेज़न बेसिन को रेन फॉरेस्ट कहते हैं. यहाँ के जो फॉरेस्ट है उनको कहा गया रेन फॉरेस्ट बिकॉज इट गेट्स रेनफॉल डेली. इट हैज हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट. ठीक है, तो स्किन फील्स स्टिकी एंड डे एंड नाइट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वली हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड. डे टेम्परेचर आर हाई विद वेरी हाई ह्यूमिडिटी. डे में टेम्परेचर बहुत हाई रहता है और ह्यूमिडिटी भी हाई है. एट नाइट टेम्परेचर गोज डाउन but humidity remains high. फर्क है, डे में टेम्परेचर इज हाई, ह्यूमिडिटी इज आल्सो हाई, बट ड्यूरिंग नाइट टेम्परेचर गोज डाउन. टेम्परेचर डाउन चला जाता है बट ह्यूमिडिटी इज हाई. तो स्किन फील्स स्टिकी हियर एंड दिस बेसिन गेट्स रेनफॉल डेली. यहाँ पे रेन फॉरेस्ट है तो दे गेट रेनफॉल डेली. अब आप मुझे बताओ अमेज़न बेसिन लाइज इन विच रीजन? इक्वेटोरियल रीजन. इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में होने के कारण क्लाइमेट इज हॉट एंड वेट, एंड डे में हम कहेंगे देयर इज टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई विद हाई ह्यूमिडिटी, बट ड्यूरिंग नाइट्स टेम्परेचर गोज डाउन बट ह्यूमिडिटी इज हाई, सो स्किन feels sticky here and it gets rainfall daily. अब यहाँ पे रेनफॉल डेली होती है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज, अब रेन फॉरेस्ट है, तो रेन फॉरेस्ट Amazon basin जो है it has rain forest. तो these rain forests are rich in fauna. अब birds कैसे कैसे, it has varieties of birds, different varieties of species are found here. Birds, animals, insects, different varieties are found here. No, birds, कैसे birds पाए जाते हैं? Toucans, hummingbird, bird of paradise are found here. ठीक है. Next is, it has different types of animals are found in these forests, such as monkey, sloth, ant-eating tapirs, and various species of reptiles are also found here, such as snakes, crocodiles. Anaconda snake is also found here. Anaconda snake in the forest of Amazon basin is found. Flesh-eating fish, piranha, is also found in the rivers of Amazon basin. Flesh-eating fish, name the flesh-eating fish, piranha, is found in the rivers of Amazon basin. So this basin is rich in variety of life. Variety of life is found in this basin. Different types of animals, insects, reptiles, birds are found in this basin. It's rich. Anaconda, yes. ठीक है. Anaconda, largest, बोलो, snake, found in Amazon basin. यहाँ पे पाया जाता है, अफ्रीका में भी पाया जाता है. तो here different, आप कह सकते हो यहाँ के लोगों की लाइफ कैसी है. First is climate. First of all, location. Then climate hot and wet. Dry ना कर देना कहीं, वो डेजर्ट में आपने पढ़ा है, सहारा डेजर्ट, हॉट एंड ड्राई. हियर बिकॉज इट्स इन इक्वेटोरियल रीजन, तो क्लाइमेट कैसा होएगा इक्वेटोरियल में होने के कारण? हॉट एंड वेट. तो ह्यूमिडिटी रेट इज हाई ड्यूरिंग डे, बट नाइट में भी हाई रहता है, टेम्परेचर गोज डाउन ड्यूरिंग नाइट. So this Amazon basin gets rainfall daily. So here's rain forests are found, and these rain forests are rich in fauna, variety of different varieties of animals, insects, birds, and various kinds of species are found in this basin. So next is life of people in this basin. First is, आप बताओगे यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं ना, hunting and fishing is the main occupation. And people also followed slash and burn agriculture. Hunting and fishing is the main occupation. Slash and burn agriculture follow करते हैं वो, means shifting cultivation. Yesterday I have told you about shifting cultivation. People divided the forest areas into plots. Slash and burn is also known as shifting cultivation. In this, people divided the forest area into plots. Okay? And then they burnt the plot, sow their seeds in the ashes, and grow different kinds of crops there. They lived in that plot till the soil lost its fertility. Then they shifted to next plot. In this way, rotation-wise system was followed by them. Then they shifted to next plot, and it took hardly 12 to 18 years to reach the first plot. First plot तक पहुंचने तक उनको 12 to 18 years लग जाते हैं. So slash and burn is a shifting agriculture, shifting cultivation that is followed by the people of Amazon basin. First of all, you can write about hunting, fishing, and then slash and burn agriculture. Here, men are involved in hunting and fishing, and whereas women, they grow various kinds of crops, such as, now learn, tapioca, pineapple, sweet potatoes are grown there. And staple food of the people of Amazon basin is manioc. Manioc means cassava. It is the staple food of the people of Amazon basin. Here people grow cash crops also. Now, which are the cash crops? Cash crops for जिनकी कमर्शियल वैल्यू होती है, बेचने के लिए जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो की जाती हैं, कमर्शियल वैल्यूज फॉर सेलिंग. पीपल ग्रो क्रॉप्स फॉर सेलिंग, बेचने के लिए जो क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं, दीज क्रॉप्स हैव कमर्शियल वैल्यू, कैश क्रॉप्स. नो विच आर द कैश क्रॉप्स ग्रोन हियर? सच एज, आप कह सकते हो कॉफी, मेज, cocoa. These are the maize and cocoa. These are the cash crops grown by the people of Amazon basin. Now, which are the crops grown by people of Amazon basin? Tapioca, sweet potato, and pineapple. And staple food of the people of Amazon basin is manioc, that is cassava. And here, women, they grow cash crops also, crops which have commercial value, such as cocoa, coffee, and maize. These are cash crops grown in Amazon basin. So these rainforests provide lot of wood for houses. And here, thatched houses shaped like beehives are made by people because this region gets heavy rainfall. So here people built their houses having which type of slanting roofs? Slanting roofs होती हैं यहाँ पे. Thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are large apartment-like houses called maloka. जहाँ पे बहुत सारे घर बने होते हैं, लार्ज अपार्टमेंट को, इन अमेज़न बेसिन इज कॉल्ड मलोका, with the steepy slanting roof. Why people build houses having steepy slanting roof? Because this region gets heavy rainfall. यहाँ पे बहुत बारिश होती है, तो इसीलिए रेन फॉरेस्ट भी कहते हैं. Now, various changes occurred in the life of these people. These days, various changes came in the life of these people. 1970 में यहाँ पे ट्रांस अमेजोन हाईवे बन गई. ट्रांस अमेजोन हाईवे in 1970, ट्रांस अमेजोन हाईवे was built, and this made all parts of rainforest accessible. In which year Trans Amazon Highway was built? In 1970. Trans Amazon Highway was built in 1970, and this made all the parts of rainforest accessible. And aircrafts, helicopters are also used to reach different places in Amazon bases. Indigenous population was, अब जो वहाँ की population है ना, that was pushed out from the area and forced to settle down in new areas where they continued to practice their old methods of farming. Different, yes, they were forced. People of Amazon basin were forced to leave the forest areas and to settle down in new areas. And here people followed their different methods of farming. So this is about Amazon basin. Now Amazon basin lies in South America. Drained by which river? Amazon. Good. अब मैं देखती हूँ आपको लर्न है. अब आप बताओ, it lies in which region? Equatorial region. And what type of climate do Amazon basin have? Hot and wet. Hot and wet. Days are, during day temperature is very high, and humidity rate is also very high. During night temperature goes down, but humidity rate is high. So this region gets rainfall, gets heavy rainfall. It gets rainfall daily. Okay? So it is rich in fauna. Here forests are rich in fauna. Different varieties of birds, animals, reptiles, insects are found in the forest of Amazon basin. So anaconda is also found in, largest snake anaconda is also found in Amazon basin. So which type of birds are found here? Hummingbird, bird of paradise, Bird of paradise, hummingbird, toucans, these are the birds found in this basin. So here main occupation of the people is fishing and hunting. And slash and burn is also followed by shifting cultivation is also followed by people in Amazon basin. Women grow different types of crops. Okay? Which are the crops grown by the people here? Tapioca, sweet potato, and pineapple. Which is the staple food of the people of Manioc. Manioc is also known as cassava. So here people grow cash crops also. Cash crops are the crops which have their commercial value. What are cash crops? Crops which have their commercial value, which are grown for selling, are called cash crops. Here people grow different various cash crops such as कौन सी cash crops grow करते हैं? Cocoa, coffee, and maize. These are the cash crops. One more question can be asked. Write the cash crops that are grown in Amazon basin. What are cash crops? Crops which have their commercial value are called cash crops. ठीक है, तो एक तो ये. In which year Trans Amazon Highway was built in 1917? In 1917, Trans Amazon Highway was built, and with this, this made the rainforest accessible to other parts of the world. So here, different aircraft such as helicopters are used. Students, we will do next part tomorrow. Okay.